Hello, my name is Ray, and I'm the Ray in the Ray Code. Welcome to the start of my video series in which I plan to create a survey of all the 23 design patterns that have been presented by the Game 4 in their famous book, Elements of Usable Object-Oriented Software. The programming language I choose will be Java. If I present any code in any of my videos, you'll be able to find that code at my GitHub site, so you may play around with it yourself. The code will also be heavily commented. You can also go to my website, theraycode.org, and you can find the code there also. My .com site is for another project. Follow me on Facebook and X and LinkedIn. Leave a comment if you have not yet. Give this video a like and subscribe. But most of all, be good. Creational Patterns in Java. Creational Patterns in Java focus simply on standardizing object creation while ensuring flexibility and minimizing dependencies. Singleton ensures a class has only one instance implemented using private constructors and synchronized method for thread safety. Factory method defines a method for object creation, allowing subclasses to decide which class to instantiate dynamically. Abstract Factory provides an interface for creating families of related objects without specifying their concrete implementations. Builder separates the construction of complex objects from their representation, using float methods for flexibility and clarity. Prototype creates new objects by cloning existing ones, leveraging clonable and overriding the clone method for efficient duplication. Structural patterns in Java. Structural patterns emphasize organizing classes and objects for better composition, maintainability, and scalability in Java. Adapter converts one interface into another expected by clients, using inheritance or delegation to bridge compatibility. Bridge decouples abstraction from implementation by combining interfaces and concrete implementations, enabling independent extension. Composite groups objects into tree structures to represent part-whole hierarchies, leveraging recursion and polymorphism in Java. Decorator dynamically adds behavior to objects without modifying their code, often using wrapping and interfaces. Facade provides a unified interface to complex subsystems, simplifying interactions by encapsulating multiple components into one. Flyweight shares common state among multiple objects to reduce memory usage, using object pooling or caching mechanisms. Proxy acts as a circuit to control access to another object, often used for lazy initialization or access control. Behavioral patterns in Java. Behavioral patterns in Java manage communication and workflow between objects, enhancing flexibility and dynamic interactions. Chain of responsibility passes a request through a chain of handlers, each deciding whether to handle or forward it. Command encapsulates requests as objects, allowing parameterization, queuing, and undo-redo functionality in Java applications. Interpreter defines a grammar and interprets expressions, suitable for scripting engines, configuration, parsers, or DSLs. Iterator provides a standard way to traverse collections using Java's Iterator or enhanced for loops. Mediator centralizes communication between objects, reducing dependency with event-based systems or Mediator class. Memento captures and restores an object state without exposing its details, commonly used for undo operations. Observer implements a one-to-many relationship where dependents are notified of changes, often using Java's observer and observable. State allows an object to change its behavior dynamically based on its internal state, modeled using state classes. Strategy encapsulates interchangeable algorithms into separate classes, promoting flexibility and reuse for tasks like sorting or validation. Template method defines the skeleton of an algorithm in base class, referring specific steps to subclasses. Mediator encapsulates operations performed on elements of an object structure, enabling new functionality without modifying them. That was my video. I plan to create these videos each week. Follow me on Facebook, X, and LinkedIn. Check out theraycode.org and .com. Leave a comment, subscribe, and like. Be good. The Ray Code is awesome.